Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we going to learn 4 Excel functions to combines the text from multiple ranges and or strings, with and without the delimiter. First, concat. Second, concatenate. Third, textjoin. Fourth, and. Concat function only available on latest version from 2019 and Office 365. This function going to replace concatenate function, however concatenate will still compatible with earlier Excel version. In Excel 2016, concatenate function has been replaced with concat function, and you should consider using concat from now on. Textjoin function, only applicable in the latest Excel version of 2019 and if you subscribe to Microsoft 365. To check the Excel version you using, from the document you opening, choose File from the menu, and then select either Account or Help from the list on the left. Under Product Information, you'll find your Office product name and, in some cases, the full version number. So, let's see what is the difference between these functions. The first sample we highlight the range of the text from the above table. Next, we going to put a comma in between the text from the table. The above two sample, the text are grouped together without the space. Next we try out the sample with space in between the text. Next, we going to try concatenate function with the above 3-way and compare the result between these two functions. Concatenate function are not group the text if highlight the text range. The text are split into single cells. Next, we going to show a comma in between the text. Next, we're going to insert a comma in the function. Next, we're going to give a space in between the text. Next, we're going to check out the textjoin function, and we do the same way as above two functions and see the differences. The textjoin function includes a delimiter you specify between each text value that will be combined. If the delimiter is an empty text string, this function will effectively concatenate the ranges. Delimiter is a text string, either empty, or one or more characters enclosed by double quotes, or a reference to a valid text string. If a number is supplied, it will be treated as text. In the delimiter, either we insert the double quotation or leave it blank, we will get the same result. Next, we're going to give a space in between the text. Spaces in between the double quotation mark. Next, we're going to show a comma in between the text. Next, we show the function for the text in between to show comma and with empty cell. For this sample we insert new set of data not in table form, as we going to show the ignore empty parameter is false instead of true. The text in between we leave it empty. The purpose is to show how the formulae result if the parameter show empty is false. Next, we going to joins the same items as the previous example, but by using the ampersand and calculation operator. please check the below comments to download the Excel file.